Hello everyone. Friends, in this video we are going to cover 30 short very important questions for the all competitive exams. Our today's topic is ecosystem structure and function. In this topic we are also going to cover food chains, trophic label, energy flow, ecological pyramids. So let's see our first question. What is the question is saying? What is the primary source of energy for almost all ecosystems on Earth? The question is asking primary source of energy. Solar radiation, that is sunlight. Next question is which organism serves as the starting point of a grazing food chain? Answer is primary producer or autotrophs, or we can say green plants are autotrophs. What percentage of energy is typically transformed from one trophic label to the next? Approximately 10%. What happens to the remaining 90% of energy that is not transferred to the next trophic label? Answer is it is lost as heat during respiration and through metabolic processes. In which type of ecological pyramid is the producer level always at the base? Pyramid of energy. Next question is which ecological pyramid can be inverted in an aquatic ecosystem? Answer is pyramid of biomass. What term describes the position an organism occupies in a food chain? Trophic label. What is the name of the process where toxins increase in concentration as they move up the food chain? Answer is biomagnification. Which food chain begins with dead organic matter? Answer is detritus food chain. What do we call the interconnected pattern of multiple food chains in an ecosystem? That is food web. Why is the pyramid of energy always upright? Answer is because energy is lost as heat at the every step in accordance with the second law of thermodynamics. Which organism occupy the second trophic label in a terrestrial ecosystem? Answer is herbivores or primary consumers. What is the net primary productivity NPP? Answer is the rate at which energy is stored as biomass by plants after deducting energy lost through respiration. In a forest ecosystem, what is typical shape of pyramid of numbers? Answer is spindle shaped. One large tree supports many insects which supports fewer birds. What is a standing crop? The total mass of living material present in unit area at a specific time. Which trophic label do humans usually occupy in a food chain? Answer is omnivores. Can be secondary or tertiary consumers. What is the role of decomposers in an ecosystem? Answer is to break down dead organic matter and return nutrients to the soil nutrient cycle. Which law states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only transformed? First law of thermodynamics. What is bioaccumulation? Answer is the gradual accumulation of a substance such as a pesticide or other chemical in an individual organism. Which ecosystem generally has the highest net primary productivity? Answer is tropical rainforest and coral reefs. What is saprotroph? Answer is an organism such as fungi or bacteria that feeds on decaying organic matter by secreting digestive enzymes. In an ecological pyramid, which label has the most energy? The producer label. What determines the number of trophic label in an ecosystem? The amount of energy available at the producer level and efficiency of energy transfer. What is gross primary productivity? GPP, the total rate at which solar energy is captured and converted into chemical energy by producers during photosynthesis. What represents the functional unit of nature? The ecosystem. Which organisms are known as trans transducers in an ecosystem? Green, green plants, which is called producers, as they convert solar energy into chemical energy. What is the flow of energy in an ecosystem considered to be? Unidirectional, non-cyclic. What kind of pyramid represents the total dry weight of organism at each level? Pyramid of biomass. Which group of organism is often excluded from ecological pyramids despite their vital role? Answer is decomposers or saprotrophs. What What is an ecological niche? The specific functional role and position of a species within its environment is called ecological niche.